Hey you guys, welcome back. Today's video we will be making these super easy Pinterest inspired and yummy Christmas cookies. So what you're going to need is 1 box of white cake mix. You're also going to need some flour, some vegetable oil, some chocolate chips, some Christmas sprinkles, 2 eggs, and a little helper just like this one. Let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And then you're going to go ahead and grab your bowl and start to add your cake mix. And then you're going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of flour. You're then going to add 2 egg whites. And then you're going to add 1/4 of a cup of sprinkles, any type of Christmas sprinkles that you prefer. And then you're going to add 3/4 of a cup of chocolate chips. You can either do chocolate chip, white chocolate chip, whatever you prefer. And then the last thing you're going to add is 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. And then once you have everything in your bowl, you're going to start to mix everything together until you get a nice soft dough. And then you're going to grab your cookie sheet and then you're going to start to roll the cookie dough into little balls. And then you're going to go ahead and place them into your oven. If you prefer harder cookies, you're going to go ahead and leave them in there for about 15 or so minutes. And if you prefer softer, chewier cookies, you're going to leave them in there for 8 to 10 minutes. Once your cookies are out of the oven, you don't have to do this step, but I went ahead and did. I sprinkled some extra chocolate chips and sprinkles on top. I ended up making 2 batches of the cookies. I made one batch of the harder cookies and then another batch of the softer, chewier cookies. And they were both absolutely delicious, super easy to make, super fast, and super tasty. I know we will be trying this recipe out in our home again. Let me know down below if you guys will be giving it a try, and let me know how yours turned out, because in our home they were super yummy, as you can tell. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys again for all the support. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I hope that you subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you guys on the next one.